My name is Andrew, and this is my review of animated Bumblebee. I did an animated Bumblebee that transforms, but this one doesn't. And this one this thing can do tricks, like do punching mode, or the laser mode. Take that! Or it can be talking.
I am one fat bot.
And there's different modes. And wheels on heels. And here's the different mode.
Hi, I'm Bumblebee. I am one fat bot.
And
want a race?
until and he can
Bring it on, Decepticons! Battle mode! Woo! I'm the fastest thing on wheels! Nothing's getting past me.
he was like boom boom.
Thank you.